Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we from Group 7 will explain about your software project. This video is part of the mid-semester exam. Next, please allow me to introduce myself. I'm Cahyana Risa from class G with student number 23170510032. There are discussion points here: software name, project background, urgency of project problem solving, software workflow, benefit and advantage, feasibility analysis, system request, top feature, use case, and explanation. Project background: democracy involves individual participation to raise political decisions with the principle of the people, by the people, for the people, reflecting various models of democracy. General elections in Indonesia are carried out with the principle of direct, general, free, secret, and fair, such as the student general election (PEMIRA) on campus. The PEMIRA process is supervised by the Student General Election Commission (KPUM) and the PEMIRA Supervisory Committee (Panwasra) to maintain transparency and integrity. Blockchain technology can increase security, transparency, and integrity in the election process, as well as reduce the risk of manipulation and fraud. Urgency of the problem. The integrity of democracy is threatened because the general election process is vulnerable to fraud and manipulation, which can damage the foundation of democracy. Fraud and data manipulation not only harm honest candidates, but also harm state as a whole by producing leaders who do not represent the will of the people. Lack of transparency in the election process makes it difficult to verify the integrity of the process and result, which can undermine public confidence in democracy. Low voter participation can reduce the legitimacy of election results so that the elected leader doesn't represent the majority of the people's opinion. With group abstention in general election reflect distrust and dissatisfaction with candidates or the existing political system and can reduce the legitimacy of election results. By understanding the urgency of the problem, concrete steps are needed to improve the election system to make it more fair, transparent, and trusted by the public. The urgency of solving project problems. Problem solution. The solution to overcome problem in the campus general election process is develop a Web3 based only election system supported by blockchain technology. The advantages of blockchain technology, such as decentralization, transparency, security, and reliability, provide several benefits. Software solution. Suara Kampus software is designed to manage various user action in student election, including providing special means, defining the roles of prospective voter, elector, and supervisor, and enabling vote reporting. This application also helps reduce abstention by making it easier for students to vote without having to be physically present. Suara Kampus can be accessed by all universities in Indonesia, both public and private, with the aim of maintaining election integrity through blockchain technology. Benefit and advantage. High-level security. Blockchain technology delivers high security through encryption. All seamless transition validation can be changed, thereby reducing the risk of manipulation and fraud in the selection process. Transparency and accountability can be improved through use a ledger that is open accessible to the public, make it possible monitoring and verification by interested parties. With the adoption of an online election system, voter can vote easily from any location with access internet, increasing voter participation and engagement. Efficiency and cost savings. Utilizing blockchain technology can reduce administrative and logistic costs associated with traditional election, resulting in the process which is more efficient and economical. Resilient. This system can become more resistant to attack cyber of manipulation attempt due to decentralized nature and redundancy of data in blockchain technology. Utilization of technology. As a digital platform, this election is useful for spreading awareness and information. Voting also enable a secure electronic voting system for makers access easy. Admin login, customer service, receive payment. Supervisor register an account by filling in form provided in the system. Login based on the previous registration account. Determine the number of voters who will participate and make payments. Create a unique code specially for candidates and voter. Monitoring voter in progress. Candidate. Register with the applicable recruitment source and scanning your KTP attached. Enter the supervisor unique code. Enter the candidate's personal data as well the vision and mission. See the result of the ongoing vote. Voter register with the applicable recruitment source as scanning your KTP attached. Enter the Unicode from the supervisor, login, select the vote selection menu and select the candidate, view the ongoing vote result. Okay, my colleague will explain next.
Okay, permission to enter. My name is Muhammad Dafa Fikriansyah with NPM 23570 51001, class C. Here I will explain about feasibility analysis. Firstly, technical feasibility. Familiarity with the application. Supervisor need high familiarity for monitoring and control features. Candidates require time to adjust, especially in managing personal data. Voters may need time, but an intuitive interface help quick familiarization. So, number 2, familiarity with technology. Supervisor need high familiarity with monitoring technology to ensure the voting process integrity. Candidates' familiarity varies, but they should manage data and view results easily. Voters' familiarity varies, but clear guidance help them use the application smoothly. Number 3, project size. Implementing an online voting system for campus election can be large scale, based on use user numbers, and features complexity. Proper planning and resource allocation are crucial. Supervisor must manage the allocation process careful due to its scale. Candidates should adjust their data and compact based on the project scale. Voters need a smooth application process regardless of scale. Number 4, compatibility. Supervisor need cross-device compatibility for monitoring election from different locations. Candidates request compatible device for managing compact and monitoring results effectively. Voters benefit from clear compatibility with their device, improving accessibility, especially for smartphones. So, secondly, economic feasibility. The table consists of several categories of costs and benefits, including development costs, operational costs, and various types of sales customer device benefits. Current project or incentive continue for the year 2024 to 2027. The costs are present in both the year the occur and the present value (PV) of those costs. Similarly, the benefits are presented in their annual value, the present value of those benefits for each year, and the cumulative present value of all benefits up to the year. The table also includes calculate for the net present value and PV for each year, the cumulative NTV, the return on investment ROE, and the break-even point BEP for the project. However, there is no minutes the context is the text-based table presenting financial information. So, thirdly, organizational feasibility. Number 1, strategic arrangement. The system must be in line with the campus vision and mission in according democracy and participation, student, and increasing transparency and security in campus election. Number 2, stakeholder analysis considers the system will impact student as voters, KPUM as organizer, DPM as supervisor, and campus authorities. Project champion, like campus leader and student activities, support democracy and transparency. Organizational management must provide resources and execute effective change management. System user includes student, KPUM, and DPM. Should be involved in development. Anybody affected by the change, including and the 10 campus community, need clear information. This helps assess whether the project alignment with the organization goals and structure for successful implementation. The next material about system request. Project name, Suara Kampus application. Project sponsor, could be specific university or educational institution aiming to increase student engagement and campus activities. Business need, there is a need to exchange student involvement in campus activities, improve transparency of information, and provide a platform for students to share ideas and opinions. Business recruitment, the application should include features such as discussion forums, campus event schedules, announcement, and possible survey or polls to gather student opinion. So, non-functional recruitment, the application must have an easy to use interface to be responsive and have a high level of security. Business value, the business value of this application includes increasing student engagement, improving communication between students and the university, the facilitating the exchange of ideas and opinion. Special considerations may include student data privacy, integration with access to the campus information system, the need for support from the university or relevant institution, ensuring that the application complies with legal requirement and regulation. The next material about main features. Firstly, general selection, which allows students to vote in general student election, such as student president election, student council election, or election for other student organization, student discussion forum. Secondly, student discussion forum allow students to discuss, share information, and exchange ideas on various topics related to campus life. Thirdly, blockchain security system provides a secure system with curate security. Fourthly, important announcement provides important announcement from the university or other campus organization such as academic announcement, scholarship information, and other important announcements. Okay, this is for me. The next material will expert be my friend Dava.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dava Muhammad Al-Fatih from class C with MPM 2317051047, and I want to present our project. There is from use case section. Supervisor can registration and login and they can set voting option and monitor voting result. For candidate can do registration and login and input candidate data, enter the candidate special code and monitor voting result. For admin can do login and become a customer service and receive payment. For voters can do registration login and enter special code and select candidate and monitor voting result. And for registration and login for all user have to input their identity. After that, they have to choose what they want to register as. After that, the admin will verify their identity. After registration is complete, they can login by entering email and password. For voting option for supervisor, to set voting option, supervisor can determine how many candidates there are, how many voters, and election schedule. After that, they can make payment transaction. And for monitor voting result for all user, to monitor voting result, they can see in real time the movement of the voting result after the specified voting times is up. They can see the final voting result. For input candidate data, candidate can input their personal data, their achievement, and their vision and mission. For enter special code for voters, they can get a unique code from the supervisor and enter the unique code before voting. For select candidate for voters, to select candidate, they can input their unique code and scan their KTM so that one person can only vote once. And there is a conclusion. The Suara Campus application also offers a general election features that allows students to vote in general student election, such as student president select election, student council election, or election for other student organization. This feature provides a secure and transparent system to ensure the integrity of the election and fair result. Okay, maybe just that from us. Thank you for attention. And last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.